Cleaning and disinfecting. Cleaning and disinfecting are part of a broad approach in preventing infectious diseases. There's a difference between cleaning versus disinfecting. Now we need to know the difference between cleaning, disinfecting, or sanitizing. Cleaning removes germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces or objects. Disinfecting kills germs on surfaces or objects. Sanitizing works by either cleaning or disinfecting surfaces or objects to lower the risk of spreading infection. It's important to know how to disinfect. It's important to clean and disinfect frequently touched areas or things or any surfaces that we think or suspect there is a bacteria or microorganism thrive and get rid of them. Being healthy is cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched areas such as tables, chairs, electronic devices. Keyboard. Faucets and sinks. Toilets, door handles or door knobs. Cleaning and disinfecting is the best way we can do to prevent transmission, infection, and spread. Thanks for watching.